So we are up to mistakes. Developer experience mistakes to avoid for getting started guides. Getting started guides. As we mentioned last week during the technical writing section, we say that the developer marketing managers are not entirely responsible for documentation of the product, but the documentation of how to get started. The introduction of documentation should be on the head of developer marketers. Every product needs to have how to get started. Have you ever maybe you actually got a physical appliances and you're trying to know how do I operate this thing? The manual is not straightforward. You actually try to figure it out for weeks and months before you actually got something. The same thing happens to in different products. So the first thing that any product should do is to write or document or show developers how to use it, how to get started is the number one, is like developer experience 101. If you fail any other way, any other place, you should not fail in how to get started. We'll look at examples of different companies, how to get started. Let's actually look at it first, then we'll actually come back. Let me open up okay, let's go to Flutterwave, yeah. Flutterwave. So it has developers here. Yeah. So how this is, yeah. So it has home and then plenty other things. So we'll discuss about this later. But let's talk about the home. Quick guide. Quick guide is the first thing you see in any documentation. Quick guide. Let's go to this is Netlify. Where to start? Let's go to docs. Get started. Home is everywhere. It has to be that's like the number one thing that should be there. Get started. So even if your product doesn't have, it's not like a fully developer focused product. It could be a low code product. Every developer product should have get started. As we've seen, it does have. Even this is Twilio. Twilio has I mean, they broke it down. We'll discuss about what this means, but let's take a look at getting started here. So it's everywhere for everybody. It's getting here, and you click on it, it gives you onboarding, introduction, and all the onboarding guides. So get started is very important. So that question is, how do we write or create a good get started guide for the products we're actually advocating for or marketing for or building a developer experience, developer relations for? The first, we'll break it down, but let's take for one. Don't make it too long. Don't cover everything in one encounter, in one place. Don't have multiple getting started guides. Don't include a lot of concepts. These are four, but actually five, but then I think that one of them is almost similar to the first one. So we'll look at them together. Don't make it too long. Don't cover everything in one place, like one article in one piece. Don't have multiple get started guides. Don't include a lot of concepts.